everyone. Good evening to each and every one of you across the globe. I am incredibly happy and pumped today's to be connecting with you guys in today's event. So today will be our second Philippine Bookkeeping and Accounting Career Fair. My name is Airdan, and here together with me is,
Jaira, and
and
we
we
are
are
from
from
TOA
TOA Global's
Global's
talent
Talents
team.
Team.
And welcome to the second Philippine Accounting and Bookkeeping Virtual Career Fair powered by TOA Global and AB2 Institute of Accounting. I am super excited for today because we do have a lot of things to talk about. Okay, so I just wanna give you guys a quick shout out. So, quick shout out to everyone who is watching this
Hello!
and who's listening to this. Happy Halloween to you guys. And for this month, we just celebrated All Souls and All Saints Day. So only 1 month to go before Christmas. So again, hi everyone, and welcome to
Hello!
today's career fair. Now, here in TOA Global, we have a lot of career opportunities waiting for us in the accounting field. So let's see more about this. Yes, now, as you can see, a career in TOA Global can broaden and open your world in working in businesses in Australia, Canada, New Zealand, Singapore, and even in the United States. So, isn't that awesome, Jera?
It is indeed. So, what are you waiting for? Today could be the start of your new career and a new beginning. Today will be all about you, our dear accountants. We want to dive in on what you need in a workplace by highlighting our accountants who went through a 7 week paid training and got placed with some of the fastest growing companies in the US and Australia. So, as we go live on Facebook, post your questions below and please support us with your likes, shares, and comments. Okay, so do not forget to scan the QR code for a life changing career and check the comment section for an offer from AB2 of accounting. So we will be awarding the best answers with Gcash. We are giving away 500 pesos to 5 lucky winners with the best answers with the questions of the day. So the question is, are you all excited? Be ready, okay? So, for you, what is the meaning of dream big and achieve more? Again, okay, what is the meaning of dream big and achieve more? Drop your answers on the comment section down below. We will read it one by one. And before we end today's career fair, we will be choosing 5 winners. And we will also be having a game segment in a few minutes. Are you all excited, guys? Kindly type, I am excited. Okay, so we're in. We will also be giving away 500 Gcash to winners who can answer our trivia questions. So stay tuned. Now, Erden will walk you through how you can join the TOA Live.
All right, that is truly awesome, Jaira. So, guys, when you visit our career fair site, you will see that here in TOA Global, we reward our family. So, at first, you need to go into our website. That is TOA careers at toaglobal.com, and this is what it looks like. So as you guys can see here, whether it is with the market leading salaries, free coffee that we provide every day, professional training and certifications, or awesome and stylish office spaces, we create the perfect place for you to feel supported, comfortable, and valued while you work. So for a life-changing career, just follow three simple and easy steps. So step one, you have to go in out to our website, and because of course we invest in your life, your career are very important to us. So discover the TOA life when you visit careers.toaglobal.com. And this is what it looks like. So all you need to do is just fill out this form. You can put in your first name here, your last name, put in your email as well, all your details here, phone number, your preferred shift, and your preferred site. So we do have Cebu City, Clark, Pampanga, Mandaluyong City, Tarlac City. And you can also put in your details and attach your CV or your resume here so that you won't miss out any details. All right. So, next step would be after finishing up this form, you can go into this corner or into this portion. And as you guys can see, you can start your search here and find the career path that best fits you. So as of now, we are looking for accountants, bookkeepers, auditor, and as you guys can see, we do have a couple of qualifications here on this website. So with the accounting role, some of the qualifications would be at least an accounting degree, and of course updated CV or resume, and then available to work on site. So we do have sites as mentioned a while ago. We do have in Clark, Mandaluyong, Tarlac, or Cebu offices, and a strong understanding on end-to-end accounting practices, from using spreadsheets, managing bills and invoices, journal entries, up to financial statements. So we also have a bookkeeper role here, wherein some of the qualifications would be a minimum of 2 years, at least 2 years experience in the bookkeeping field, has Australian or US client experience, and good communication skills. So those are just some. We do have auditor, financial planning assistant, virtual assistant, IT professionals, and support team. So lastly, of course, step three, share your information with us and let us level up together. So get ready to be landing onto your dream job and be a part of 2,500 awesome worldwide team members. So yeah, that's pretty much about it on our current openings. We do have a lot more. So yeah, let's get right to it. All right.
Okay, so I would also like to introduce our VP for Talent Operation, who will give his insight into the values and discuss the benefits of TOA. Let us all welcome and give him a virtual claps. Please welcome, shout out to Robert Stout.
Woo!
Hi, everyone. Really excited to be here, and
Hi,
I hope you're
Robert.
all enjoying the live so far. Ed and Anjira, you're doing an awesome job. Great hosts. So now I need to keep up the energy, right? You've set the standard
Yes,
for
of
me.
course.
Yeah.
But yeah, I would absolutely like to talk about the benefits of joining TOA Global. Now, I think everyone can probably realize one of the real key benefits of starting your career or continuing your career at TOA Global is the fact that we're global. We can offer you an international accounting career, whether you be an accountant or bookkeeper or similar. And those clients or that you'll be working for, those accounting firms, are based in the US, Australia, New Zealand, soon to be the UK. We're expanding massively, very quickly globally. So it's a really exciting time to get in and start your career with TOA Global. Now, on top of that, shall I chat through some of the other great benefits? So, of course, like we mentioned, we have market leading salaries. We know that that's really important. But in addition to that, great work-life balance. I walk around the offices at TOA, and I know that work-life balance is really important to our team members. And starting at 7, finishing at 4 on the day shift, or maybe you're on the night shift, whatever it is that works for you and your family, I know that what we can offer really works for our team members. And it's something that not a lot of other businesses that are in a similar line of work are offering. So, weekends with your family, afternoons with your kids and family, holidays off, paid for annual leave of 4 weeks a year. There's some really amazing benefits that we offer. Now, some of you might think or notice that we come into the office a lot at TOA Global, but that's a benefit as well because it lets you log off and go home and separate that work and life, which gives you great balance for yourself and your family. But it also means that you can come in and you can socialize and you can work with your friends, and you can also develop your career because you're surrounded by like-minded people who are in accounting careers, some of which you may have worked with previously, or perhaps you studied together. Because it leads into one of our other great incentives, which is our referral program. And our referral program, we have unlimited cash incentives for referrals. So a lot of our new team members do come from referrals because our team members want to work with their friends who they've studied with, who they've worked with previously, and they know that TOA is a great place to work and they would love others to come and work with us as well. Should I keep going, team? Should I keep talking about
Of
benefits?
course, the floor is all yours, Robert.
Yes.
Excellent. Well, there's still plenty more. There's still plenty more. So we talked about day shift and night shift. If you are on a night shift, there is a 20% night differential and net non-taxed allowances as well. So there is a benefit to working that night shift. And predominantly that would be supporting our US clients. So really exciting to get that international US experience. Other benefits would be our office spaces. We highlighted before, we have some really great offices with sleep pods and free coffee, very nice modern facilities, great technology. So when you do come to work, it is a really nice place to come to work. And I know I've been around and visited the offices just recently, just last week and the week prior in Manila and Cebu and Tarlac. And Clark as well. So and I met the team Arden and Jaira here today. So really nice office environment, and of course all the fun activities that our team gets involved in. So just before I arrived in the Philippines, everyone was super excited about our sports competition that we held across all of the sites. I think there were 1,000 team members involved. Am I right, Arden and Jaira?
Yes, that is correct.
Yes.
1,000 people
Yeah.
involved.
And then, of course, the location of our offices. We really put a lot of work into where we base our offices. So we want our offices to be close to where our team members live, close to malls, close to restaurants and sporting hubs, so that it really works in with your personal life as well. Because we spend a lot of time at work, right? So we want to be able to balance our work life and our personal life really well.
All right. So yeah, that's pretty much everything. So as Robert mentioned, we do have a lot of things here
Yep.
waiting for you here in Toa Global. So if I were you guys, what are you guys waiting for a life-changing career? Come and experience the hashtag TOA Life. So again, thank you so much, Robert. Is there anything
Thank you
else that you
so
guys want
much.
to say to all the viewers out there?
I think if you want an international accounting career and if you're really striving to grow your career in 2023, there has never been a better time to make the decision, be confident and say, you know what, I'm going to do this for myself. I want a better work-life balance. I want to grow my
Yep.
career. I want to gain that international exposure. Now's the time to really sign up for a career with TOA Global because you will go places. And I know that our team loves working at TOA Global. I love working at TOA Global.
I
So
I
love
love working in
working.
Toa as
if you're
well.
unsure, now is the time to make that decision and do it for yourself.
That is correct. So, as Robert mentioned, today is your time to change your career and change your life and experience the TOA journey. So for a life changing career, don't forget to scan our QR code right there. So again, thank you so much, Robert. It is truly great to have you here and have your insights on the values and benefits of TOA. So before you go, please stay in the call as well because we're going to be having a couple of questions for you
Yep.
that we're going to be asking you on the Q&A or question and answer portion. So thank you so much,
Absolutely. I
Robert.
look forward to it.
Yeah,
Yep.
thank you.
Thank you so
And
much.
yeah, as you guys can see, we have the leadership who truly understands, the intricacies of an accountant's career. So as of now, I see a lot of comments actually, and answers to the question of the day, which is, what is the meaning of dream big and achieve more? So I'll just be doing a quick run through and scan through the comment section down below. Again, shout out to everyone who's watching. I believe we
Uh,
do have a lot of viewers who's already done their comments. I see here Leah. Shout out to Leah
Hi,
Arellano.
Leah.
So Leah said, to achieve big things, first you have to believe that you can. Cultivate confidence, and then we often think we don't pursue big dreams because we're afraid of failure. But we should face fear and failure and face fear of success. So that is correct. Thank you for your answer. And I also see shout out to Romnick Seroy. So Romnick said, to dream big means to dream with no limits. Everything you are manifesting will surely come true. You can achieve your dreams by adding skills and talents through educating yourself and putting this into action. So, by the way, guys, I see a couple of people here that's also part of the talent team. Shout out
Yep.
to Franz.
Hi,
Shout out
Franz.
to Juvel,
Hi,
Roxanne as
Jubel.
well. They're all here. Shout out to you guys. Welcome. Thank you guys for being here. And yeah, so all right, since you guys have already, the comments onto the question of the day, why don't we go ahead with our mini, trivia
Yep.
questions for today? So are you guys excited?
I'm excited.
So here's gonna be the thing, okay? This is the mechanics of the trivia or the icebreaker that we have. So we will be asking some questions, and the first one to get the correct answer to our question will get 500 G cash. Isn't that awesome? So prepare your fingers, warm up your fingers, do a quick stretching, and type fast because here's the first question. So the first question is, what does TOA stand for? So again, what does TOA stand for? Right, so drop in your answer and we're going to be choosing the winners. So the first one to get the correct answer will be getting 500 G cash.
Wow.
So I see a couple of comments already.
Ooh.
And the first one who got the correct answer, I see a couple of answers already, but the first one who got the correct answer is, drum roll please. Shout out to Jason Romero.
Romero.
Congratulations. The answer is the outsourced accountant. So congratulations, Jason.
Congratulations, Jason.
Yeah, anyways, just stay put down because we're gonna be giving your prize later on after the career fair. So just sit back and relax. Okay?
Okay, so the second question. Shout out to all the keyboard warriors there. Please ready your fingers for the second question. So the second question is, when did TOA start? Again, for those who, the first one who typed the correct answer would be giving away. We will be giving away 500 G cash. Right, Aidan?
Yes, that is right. So again, please do type in the answer of when did TOA start. So with this question, you don't have to be very specific with the date. For as long as you get the right month and the year, then you're all good. Okay, so a couple of
A couple.
people are already doing and commenting their answers. So why don't you go
I
ahead?
see. Yeah, I see 2013, 1949, 2005. What do you think is the correct answer, Erdan? Hmm.
Okay, so are you guys ready? So the correct answer to this question is, drum roll please, December 2013. So congratulations to Carmela Gulapa. Yes, there you go. So again, just stay put and relax. We're going to be giving your prizes later on after this event. Okay, so the last question for this one is,
Who is the founder of TOA Global? Again, the keyboard warriors then answer the question, who is the founder of TOA Global? Okay, let's see.
okay, this has to be a full name, okay?
Mm-hmm.
The first name and then the surname. All right, so a couple of answers already. Wow, you guys type so fast. What is your word per minute on a typing speed test?
I see a lot of answer here in the comment section below. Uh, Litza said Craig Mansell and RJ Samantha Nick Sinclair. Okay, same with
Okay.
Alpha. What do you think is the correct answer, Erdan?
Okay, are you guys ready? So the correct answer and the first one to get the correct answer. First off, the correct answer is Nick Sinclair. Yay! And the first one that got the correct answer is Cedric Garcia. Hey,
Garcia.
congratulations, Cedric.
Congratulations.
Woo! So yeah, just stay put. We're gonna be giving your prizes, and we do have a couple of questions later on. Congratulations to those who won our icebreaker and mini games. We will be keeping in touch with you in a bit for your prizes. So we'll just have more questions for you guys later on. So don't go anywhere and just hang on tight. Okay. But anyway, going back, as Robert mentioned a while ago that we do have workplaces here. He has been with all the sites
Yep.
here in the Philippines. So I just wanna give you guys an insight and on what it looks like. So here at TOA Global, we believe that the team members are and employees are the heart of the organization. So to visualize this more, here are some of the few videos that we have of what it means to work at TOA Global. Watch this.
Collective brilliance is like powerhousing. It's like harnessing the individual powers or like talents or systemic wisdom of each maybe team member or support or the XX, whoever, and then harnessing those talents in order to have this long-term transformation or for the greater good of the company.
This is my 4th team building, and they keep getting bigger and better and better. It's about a celebration of you guys. Everything that you do to make TOA a great place.
Most of all, team building is about a celebration of you. It's a celebration of your accomplishments, your hard work.
So we're wrapping up team building for 2022, and it's been an amazing experience. It's so great to see everybody coming back together, smiling faces, outdoors, just doing what we do best, which is celebrating hope, pride and belonging.
I'm Ben, welcome to TOA Philippines. We bring offices close to where our employees are because we believe in having the best office experience means travelling not more than 60 minutes to get there. We create amazing workspaces that amplify the human experience of engagement, learning and collaboration, and most importantly, have a little bit of fun. Each building has this kind of layout, 1.2 metre desks wide, 2 monitors and screens. So people have privacy, they can do their own independent work, but also interact and hang out with each other as well. All of our buildings have on-site nurses and clinics, so if anybody's feeling unwell, just wants a checkup or needs a consultation, they can come and see one of our nurses. All of our buildings have a breakout space where you can play foosball, ping pong, catch up with some friends. Nice place to chill out, relax. This means 40 to 50% of our space is dedicated solely to our team members' well-being and welfare. So here we are in what they call over here a pantry or a cafeteria, lunchroom, whatever you want to call it. Endless supply of coffee for free. We empower our teams to do their best work, and this is anchored on setting the stage for meaningful interaction. So here we are in one of our support offices with all of the support functions in the business. We believe it's a combination of small things and the little things that really amplifies the experience for our clients, our team members, and each other. We hope to see you soon.
Wow! It's really great to work here in TOA Global. So those are just some of the activities that you guys can be part of it. So what are you waiting for? Join us here in TOA Global. And also, we also do what we do to give back to the community. Here's a short video of how we help Typhoon Kerding survivors.
binabalak na bumisita sa inyo?
There you go. So as you guys can see here in TOA Global, we value each and every one here, and we are very much. You guys are very much important to us. So we do what we do here, and we want to always help each other out. So again, do not forget to drop us a comment and a note in the comment section. We are just a reminder that we are giving away 500 peso GCash for today for the best comments and for those who answer the question, what is the meaning of dream big and achieve more? So I'll just do a quick shout out again to each and every one of you guys. So I see here, shout out to Ray Galang Aj Idol. Shout
Hi,
out to
Ray.
Ray, hello. Shout out to Jubes
Hi,
and to
Jubes.
Trina, part of the talent team. Hello guys. Anyways, so comments keep on running down. So shout out to each and every one of you guys and many more. So just keep your comments there, and we are going to choose 5 lucky winners by the end of the video or by the end of the live stream. Okay, so just stay tuned. Anyway,
Okay, next. I know we have all been waiting for this. We are going to talk about TOA Global's Paid to Train program. As the industry's premier talent of solutions provider, we invest in our people and make sure they have the skills they need to have successful global accounting career. Please watch this video. And now, joining us today, one of our amazing accounting trainer who will give us an insight into what accelerator program is. Let us all welcome Rafi.
Hey, Rafi, hello.
Hi,
Hi everyone.
Rafi.
I need to match your energy as well. Thank you so much. Thank you. I will be here to present the accelerator program.
Yep.
So, one sec.
Are you excited, Ravi, to
Yep.
present?
Yeah.
I'm very much excited as well to know more about
Mm-mm.
Accelerator program. So while we are waiting, just a quick shout out to each and everyone here. I see comments. Crizel, shout out to you, another
Hi,
member of the talent
Crizel.
team. All right.
All right. I'll be here to share with you the accelerator program. So, as what they've stated, the accelerator program is the paid training that TOA Global offers. So, the accelerator program is powered by the AB2 Institute of Accounting, the one that provides training to our team members. So, we provide certifications and different trainings that are useful with your work with your clients. So, I'm currently the accounting training lead for the North America because we have separate geos here in Toa Global as what Robert stated a while ago. You can go to either NA. Of course, I work in the night shift. Well, I have to accept the reality that I am a vampire. I am
The
I'm
nightlife.
awake when all people are sleeping, and I am sleeping when all people are awake.
Oh wait,
But
yeah.
well, I am at least richer than the people who are in the day shift because I get night differential pay and
Yep.
some additional
Woo.
allowances because I work in the night shift. Because
Wow.
the government only mandates employers to give 10% night differential pay, but TOA gives more than that. TOA gives 20% night differential
20%.
pay because
Wow.
we need to have more coffee. Coffee money.
Yep.
Although TOA provides, uh, you know, free coffee, but sometimes during weekends, because we are not in the office, we have to stay awake at night and buy some Starbucks. So
Yeah.
technically, TOA sponsors that by giving us more allowances and more night differential pay by
Mm-mm.
working in the night shift. Of course, we also have training during the day. Which is the accelerator program for Australia. But I am currently leading the training for the North America, which is the accelerator program for the US. So in here, um, here are like the course outline. This is what we offer to our team members who are undergoing the 7 weeks accelerator program. So they will be given an understanding of the U.S. accounting landscape, understanding U.S. accounting's firm purpose, key objectives and scope, major US business entities and their tax requirements. Although, we almost have the same business entities as that of the Philippines and in the US, there are some differences and we will compare them for you. And of course, in the United States, what is most frequently used software is QuickBooks. Although for Australia, since in Australia and New Zealand, they most often use Zero, they provide Zero training. But in the US, we provide QuickBooks online training. However, if your client requests that you be given a Zero certification, we will be giving you a Zero certification. And of course, we will certify you for QuickBooks. And then that's for bookkeeping. And there's more. We also train you with US taxes. So, well, I'm going to say to you that US taxes is a bit complicated. There's a lot of forms, there's a lot of things to know, but we will make it simple for you. And of course, we will be onboarding you and teaching you, train you how to use like a tax software that is also commonly used in the United States, which is ProConnect. So ProConnect is a cloud-based tax software which helps businesses and the practice there in the United States fulfill tax requirements in accordance with the Internal Revenue Service regulation. So Internal Revenue Service is just like the BIR of the Philippines. So we will compare, what are the tax practices in the Philippines, because we all know that you already have the experience in the Philippines. We're not gonna technically introduce, new
Mm-mm.
concepts to you, because we already know that you already have the basic underlying concepts. Well, some of you even know advanced, because some are even CPA, some even have qualifications. I was able to train people that top the CPA licensure
Wow.
examination. Yeah, but um, the difference is that we will try to convert your current knowledge so that it would be useful in the applicable geo setting. So if you will be trained under the Australian program, we will try to convert your existing knowledge so that it will be useful in the Australia career. And if you're in or you're training for the US, we will convert your knowledge from the Philippines to a US knowledge so that you can start your international accounting career. And we also offer certifications in the future. You might not know. You will also become a US CPA. So we will lay
Yup.
down all
Wow.
those foundation for you. So here are the units that we do in the accelerator program. Of course, we have our introduction, because we know that you all have the knowledge and capabilities as an accountant, but we also understand that you also need some soft skills. That's why on Unit 1, we will train you with a lot of soft skills, effective communications, managing client expectations, or understanding client expectations. And also, we will introduce to you the culture that you will be working on. So if you will be working for the Australia, we will be onboarding you with some of the culture in Australia. If you are for the US, we will be telling you some of the cultures in the US, and we will differentiate them, of course, with our culture here in the Philippines. And then we have our Unit 2, which is Introduction to Accounting in America. So in here, we will try to differentiate the standards that we use in the Philippines. As we all know, we are using IFRS in the Philippines, but in the US, they use US GAAP. So there are differences between the IFRS and US GAAP, and we'll try to differentiate. Of course, we're not gonna teach everything because that's complicated, financial accounting stuff. But
Yeah.
we'll try to give you the concept, on what are the differences between IFRS and the US GAAP. And then, of course, this is technically the longest unit. This is like the point in the roller coaster wherein you'll be like put into the top and you will be dropped, because this is technically the most complicated, most
Complicated.
difficult, and longest unit, which is the individual taxes in America. This is a bit complicated. The training is for almost 3 weeks. The checkpoint or the exam is so, I won't say difficult, but
It's more of like a
mind cracking
complex.
like that. It's very challenging. But of course, before we let you take the checkpoint or the examinations, in the accelerator, we call the exams as checkpoints. We will gonna give you lots of activities and lots of trainings for you to be able to answer the case studies that we give at the end of each unit. And then after that, Unit 3, individual taxes, we'll go with some bookkeeping. So basic bookkeeping, Unit 4, and advanced bookkeeping for Unit 5. So for basic bookkeeping, technically, we're going to onboard you with the interface of QuickBooks Online. Don't worry, guys. We won't be teaching you debits and credits. We won't be talking about consolidation of financial statements. We'll not be talking about goodwill. Those hard accounting stuff. These are basics, because we all know you already have understanding. You're already accountants, but some of you doesn't know how to use QuickBooks Online. So we're just gonna tell you the interface, train you with the interface of the applicable accounting software that you will use. For US, it's QBO. For AU, it's Zero. So we will gonna teach you how to use these accounting softwares. And then we go to Unit 5. We'll use more features, such as, for example, the payroll feature in QBO, also the payroll feature in Zero. And then we'll be doing some adjusting entries and close end reporting, which is technically the generation of the financial statements. And lastly, we have our Unit 6, which is business taxes in the US. So in the United States, business taxes are not that as complicated as compared to the individual taxes. Business taxes is only for 1 week, but it will be a hands-on approach. You know, you will be dealing with lots of activities, lots of tax forms, and the good thing about the accelerator program is that we just don't teach you how to use the software, especially in the taxes, because we understand that what you currently know are some concepts or the tax laws in the Philippines, but you're not bit aware of what are the tax laws in the US. So we're kind of bit like studying when it comes to taxes, because we give you the underlying fundamentals and knowledge when it comes to the laws in the United States. And same thing in the Australia, we will onboard you with the tax laws in the Australia, so that you'll know the theories, so that when you use the software you'll understand it more, because using the software without having an underlying fundamental knowledge is just like opening the computer and technically knowing how to click, but you're not understanding why you are clicking that particular button. But in the accelerator program, we will not just tell you how to click, but we are gonna tell you why you are clicking that particular button. Knowledge and application, concepts and application, all in one in the accelerator program. And well, a very competitive salary during the training. I am telling you, a very competitive salary during the training. And it will lead you to success. It will lay down your foundation in the international accounting career. And of course, after the unit 6, of course, they have like different number of units in the Australia. I can't speak to Australia because I'm not a trainer in Australia. After that 7 weeks of training, very hard training. The accelerator program is not designed to be easy. It's really
Yes.
hard because we really want to set the foundation to your international accounting career. Even Nick Sinclair said that. Nick Sinclair said that we didn't design the accelerator program to become easy, because we want to set up your success here in TOA Global. That's why we're making it comprehensive. We're making it useful, so that when you onboard to your client, you'll be able to apply all the knowledge and understanding and training you did in the accelerator program. And after that 7 weeks, we will reward you with a very satisfying, fulfilling graduation ceremonies, in which we will award you. If you did best, if you're the valedictorian, we will award you. If you pass all the units, we will award you, because you deserve it. And after that,
Yes.
you're ready for onboarding with the client. That's it for
Wow.
me. Thank you to the both of you. I need to match your energy.
Thank you so much, Rafi. Okay, so now that we have learned that the TOA life is all about learning, development, work life balance, and a life changing career opportunity, it is just an awesome place to be. But do not take our word for it. Let us hear it straight from our colleagues who have taken the 7 week paid training and are now placed with the fastest growing companies in the US, Australia, New Zealand, and even in Canada. So let us welcome two of our accelerator program graduates with their journey on how to change their career. Okay, so hi guys. Hi guys. Hi
Hello.
Kat and Jed. Happy
Hi Jai. Hi Erdan.
Friday.
Hello.
Hello,
Happy
guys.
Friday.
How are
Happy
you
Friday.
today?
Very
Very
good, very
good.
good.
Are
Good.
are you excited?
Super. Yeah, super
Okay.
excited. Super excited and
Kat,
very nervous.
I
okay,
mean, it's
Kat.
normal.
Yep. Kat, can you tell us a little bit about yourself?
Oh sure.
Mm,
See,
just
I'm
a
an
little
introvert.
bit.
Yeah, before I got to TOA, just a little bit about me. I love reading books. I'm an introvert, sometimes an extrovert. I talk to people a lot when I know them, but when I don't know them, I'm very shy. So yeah, that's who I am. So I'm not really comfortable being in here, but for me, like saying all my experience and just letting other people know about how amazing TOA and AB2 is an opportunity I would really grab.
Wow, thank you so much, Kat. How about you, Jed? Can you tell us a little bit about yourself?
Well, if it is something personal about me, I think I'm single.
Oh,
Okay.
that's
Besides
Wow.
that, besides that,
interesting.
okay. First, I'm Jed. I'm Jed. That's my nickname, and I'm a graduate of an accelerator program from the U.S. Kohufo, and I'm a generalist accountant currently working as a financial statement reviewer with a US client for RFNR, which is, yeah, basically,
Okay.
I was a night shift before, but since our client's really good, um, she transferred us to morning shift. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much, Kat, for and Jed for that introduction. So I have a few questions for the both of you. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Kinda.
Thank you so much, Kat and Jed. Okay. This question goes to Kat. Why did you join TOA, and what can you say about your initial experience with us?
Well, I joined TOA because, as what Sir Robert actually said earlier, I was aiming for an international accounting career, and I actually found it here. I also wanted some career growth, which is found in the trainings provided by AB2. So I was very much fortunate and blessed that I was part of the Accelerators program and also the CMA program, which I'm very interested in. They have it there as well. And of course, let's just be frank, every one of us wants to work hard to provide better
Mm-hmm.
opportunities for our family. So yeah, 95% of us Filipinos do that. And I think there's just one thing that I can say with my experience in TOA that's amazing. I've learned a lot of
Truly
things about
is.
things that I've really never learned before, things like GST in Australia because I'm like assigned in the Australian client. So yeah, there's a lot of things that are unfamiliar to me that TOA gave me a stint of through the program. Also, I've met a lot of amazing people, my cohort, my trainers, the executives, and of course, my very amazing clients. And lastly, the work-life balance. Because like right now, I get to have more time for my family, more time for the hobbies that I have, and the things that I would really want to allocate my time on.
Okay, that is very, very interesting. And we're also grateful that you're now here with us, right? And here, live experiencing life in Toa. And I have a next question. This one is for Jed. So the next question would be, what were the best experiences and moments you had during the accelerator program?
uh, with the moments that I had, the best during in TOA is that um I joined the sport fest that was held in TOA. I'm a badminton player since I was young, and also a varsity when I was and I graduated in high school, and also played in college. And then I met some persons here in TOA that are really fond of playing badminton, and we are scheduling our badminton plays every Wednesday. And I was not expecting that TOA will be having this sport fest that held last, I think that was August, if I'm not mistaken. So, yeah, that was one of the most memorable experience that I had in Toa, besides the freebies that you could experience here in Toa. Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much, Kat and Jed. I almost forgot your name. So sorry. Thank you so much, Jed and Kat, for sharing with us your experience of being a part of the accelerator program. We are grateful to have you here with us today's career fair. Right, Erdan?
Yes, that is truly correct. Anyways, thank you guys for sharing your experience from the Accelerator program. And it's really grateful to have you guys here on the show. But anyways, as I mentioned a while ago, guys, don't forget to please scan the QR code for a life-changing career. You can also check out the comment section for an offer from AB2 Institute of Accounting. And also answer the question. Don't forget to type in your comments and answers. What is the meaning of dream big and achieve more? So again, as going back with the one that I've mentioned a while ago, these are the graduates of our accelerator program. So give them virtual claps, guys.
Thank you so
Hey
much,
guys,
Kat and
hey guys,
Jed.
Kat and Jen.
Thank
All
you,
right.
Erdan.
Anyways,
Thank you, Jai.
yeah, thank you, thank you. Anyways, now I would like to introduce to you guys our talent director, Miss Lon Hernandez, for a deeper discussion on to the TOA Live. So take note one of your questions or take note of your questions in the comment section below. We will open the floor for question and answer later on. So take it away, Miss Lon.
Hi, good evening,
Hi,
everyone.
Ron.
Good evening, Miss Lon.
Yeah, great to be here.
We're also enlightened and happy that you are now
Yep.
here. So please discuss your experience and how grateful you are with joining TOA.
Yep, so I get this a lot of time because I've been with TOA since 2015. So it was actually my seventh year on
Wow!
Happy
October, yeah,
anniversary.
14.
Happy
Yeah, thank
anniversary,
you.
Miss Lon.
So I wouldn't be staying, for 7 years if I don't have like an amazing experience with TOA. So, just to share with you a bit of a background, I started as a recruitment officer and climbed up the corporate ladder. So, I am now the head of talent acquisition for ANZ region. So I'm looking or spearheading, rather, a team of 10 superstar recruiters. So aside from the career growth that I got from TOA Global, I also enjoy work-life balance. So yep, it's true that in TOA we only work for 8 hours, so 7 in the morning up until 4 p.m. And for the night shift, we have like 9 p.m. to 6 a.m. So since I'm a single mom, I have like the opportunity to spend quality time with my kid on weekends and actually after work. So we're able to catch up and discuss how was his day on at school and things like that. And aside from that, of course, accelerator program is actually also one of the best experiences that I have with TOA because I was part of the pioneer and helped out in of course recruitment process and we have guided the accelerator cohort trainees during the endorsement in client interview stages. So yeah, if you want to experience work-life balance and professional growth, so this is the best company for you.
Okay, thank you so much, Miss Lon. Again, let's all welcome Miss Lon, the head of talent in here in TOA
So,
Global. So please stay on camera, Miss Lon, as it is time for our Q&A together with our VP of Talent Global, Robert Stout. So
hi
here
Hello
you
again,
again,
are, Robert.
Robert.
everyone. Great to be
Hi
Hi,
again,
back.
welcome
Robert.
back.
Hi, Lon. Which way are
Okay.
you? This way. Hi.
Yes, that is right.
The other way.
Anyways, yeah, so I have a couple of questions here in our comment section. So I'll just be asking you guys some questions, okay? So this one, the first question will be directed to Robert. So first the question is, what is the difference of TOA Global with other outsourcing companies?
That is a really good question. And it's probably a question that a lot of you on the live have been wondering. But there's a lot that makes TOA Global different from other outsourcing companies. Now, probably one of the real key differences is that we are the accounting people. So that is our specialization is accounting. So if you want to build your career as an accountant, then there is nowhere else to go. TOA is the place to go because we have huge international clients across Australia, New Zealand, and the US, and we can help you grow your career massively, including through our training program with the AB2 Institute of Accounting. So I think that's probably the key difference. The other differences, of course, we've mentioned. We offer work-life balance. We invest in having really great office spaces, and we invest a lot into the well-being of our team members. So I think that's probably the real key difference between us and other outsourcing businesses.
Thank you for that awesome question. That is truly correct, Robert. So the next question I have here is directed to Miss Lon. So, Miss Lon, how are accountants taken care of in TOA Global?
So yeah, we take care of our team members. Of course, these are the accountants that we have in TOA Global by providing professional development program or plans. This is we work in partnership with AB2 Institute, our training entity in Australia. So we make sure that our accountants are up to date with the technology, innovation, and of course the training that they need to upskill their accounting background.
Okay, thank you so much for that awesome answer, Miss Lon. So again, I have this question for Robert. So Robert, since TOA is not offering a work from home setup as of now, what benefits do I get if I work on site?
Working on site is it's one of those things that I don't think you realize how good it is until you start doing it again,
Mm.
because we've all been through the lockdowns and working from home, and coming back to the office, you don't realize you miss it until you come back. So that's probably
Yes,
one key thing, because we need that social interaction sometimes.
Yep.
We want to see our
true.
friends, and a lot of our friends are at work. But when we come into the office, we create a really strong separation between our personal life and our work life, because we've probably all experienced we're working from home, we log on a little bit early, we're staying on later, and there's really no
Mm.
separation between work and life. It's really easy to just keep working and not be paid for that overtime. Whereas when you come into the office, you come in at 4 o'clock, you can pack up and you can go home, and you have that really nice separation. The other thing is career development. A lot of our team members come to Toll because they want to develop their career, and there is no better way to develop your career than by surrounding yourself with really educated, skilled individuals, such as our accountants and senior accountants working at TOA. And if you're working for one of our big clients in the US, Australia, or New Zealand, quite often you'll be sitting as part of a large team, and you can all talk and share ideas and learn from each other. So I think career development is a really key part of coming back to the office.
Okay, thank you so much, Robert. And I see the comment of Drew says human connection is important. Shout
Yes,
out to
Yes.
That
Drew.
is true. That
spot
is
on.
actually true.
Yep. Okay. Thank you so much, Robert. And I have the last question for Miss Lon. So for the accelerator program, what would happen if I did not get hired by the client?
So to answer that, we won't let you, or we will make sure that you will be, identified by our clients, accelerator clients, and we also have our seat leasing clients. So at present, we have like 100 plus open requisitions in our pipeline. So no need to worry about, your career because we're here. We will definitely back you up.
All right, awesome. Again, that's it for the Q&A. Thank you guys so much for
Thank you.
being here, Robert and Miss Lon. Thank you guys for being here at our career fair. So again, thank you for
Thank
the
you so
speakers
much.
for your
Thanks so much for having
valuable.
us. It's been really fun.
Yes,
Yeah.
And I
it is
hope
fun to have you here as well.
Yep.
we hope to help lots of accountants grow their career internationally. So definitely put in those applications.
Yes,
Mm-mm.
scan in the
That's
QR
right.
code, guys.
Yep.
So again, thank you for your valuable support and to all the
Here.
amazing comments that we have on our live stream. After the event, as I mentioned a while ago, we are going to post the five lucky winners on our page. So keep those comments coming in and follow our Facebook page. Share the stream to all your friends and your family members and your co-workers so that they can participate as well. And so that you are updated, please do follow our Facebook page. You can also reach us through careers at toaglobal.com. And yeah, so start your TOA journey by scanning in the QR code. So again, thank you guys so much for being here. This has been the second Philippine Accounting and Bookkeeping Virtual Career Fair powered by TOA Global and AB2 Institute of Accounting. This year, you deserve better, and this year you deserve the hashtag TOA Life. Happy weekend,
Happy weekend,
everyone!
Happy
everyone!
weekend.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Bye, bye.
Thank you.